Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury and performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL. This isn't just another high-end convertible. It's a bold statement in design, elegance, and power that perfectly blends the sportiness of the SL class with the extravagant touches only Maybach can offer. Whether you're cruising down the coast or pulling up to a gala, the 2026 Maybach SL ensures all eyes stay on you. So buckle up as we take you on an in-depth journey through every luxurious curve, every detail, and every heartbeat of this extraordinary machine. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the front end immediately commands attention. The signature Maybach grille is bolder than ever, a waterfall of chrome vertical slats that projects presence and prestige. The headlamps are ultra-slim, featuring the latest digital light technology, and they don't just illuminate the road, they project class. The lower bumper integrates chrome mesh inlays and subtle Maybach badging, signaling that this isn't your typical SL roadster. The hood is sculpted with purpose, carrying smooth, muscular lines that travel seamlessly into the windshield. From the side profile, the car radiates elegance in motion. The long, sweeping body line extends from the front fender all the way to the tail, with flush door handles and polished chrome trim outlining the windows. A unique set of 21-inch Maybach forged wheels, finished in dual-tone silver and obsidian, fills the arches beautifully. The SL's silhouette remains low-slung and aggressive, but the Maybach version softens it just enough to give off an air of opulence and exclusivity. The fabric soft top folds down in under 15 seconds, and it's available in several bespoke shades to match your personal style. Move around to the rear, and the luxury theme continues. The taillights are slender and stretch wide across the rear, giving it a broad, planted stance. The Maybach badge is subtly centered above the chrome light strip, and below it, you'll find dual trapezoidal exhausts embedded within a chrome-accented diffuser. The rear deck features a subtle spoiler integrated into the trunk lid. Inside, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is nothing short of breathtaking. Step into the cabin, and you're enveloped in a cocoon of handcrafted luxury. The interior is available in two-tone Napa leather schemes that feel more like a five-star lounge than a sports convertible. Every touchpoint, from the stitched leather dashboard to the polished wood trim inlays, has been meticulously crafted. The seats are not only heated, ventilated, and massaging, but also offer Maybach exclusive features like neck warmers and individual scent diffusers. The steering wheel is wrapped in fine leather and wood, with capacitive controls and Maybach branding. Dominating the center console is an enormous 11.9-inch OLED touchscreen that slightly tilts to reduce glare. When the top is down, it runs the latest MBUX system with zero-lag navigation, adaptive voice control, and an AI that actually learns your preferences over time. A high-fidelity Burmester 4D sound system with speakers embedded in the seats. Now let's talk performance, because the Maybach SL doesn't just sit pretty. Under the hood, it boasts a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, pushing out a staggering 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. This power is channeled through a 9-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels, giving it a smooth but commanding grip on the road. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3.9 seconds, blistering for a car this luxurious. Despite its size and weight, the adaptive air suspension and rear axle steering ensure nimble handling, and there's even a Maybach mode that prioritizes comfort by softening the throttle response and shifting earlier for a calmer ride. The car's drive modes can also be customized further for sportier dynamics or a completely isolated cruise. And thanks to its active noise cancellation technology, even at full throttle, the cabin remains whisper quiet. Unless, of course, you want to hear that V12 purr, which it does gloriously when unleashed. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL starts at around $250,000, with fully loaded versions nearing $300,000 depending on customization. Options like bespoke paint jobs, diamond-quilted seat patterns, personalized embroidery, and upgraded trim packages can push that figure even higher. But for those in the market for the ultimate luxury roadster, it's a small price to pay for. Owning a piece of automotive royalty. If you're considering adding this vehicle to your garage, here's my suggestion. Do it not just because it's luxurious, but because it perfectly straddles the line between grand tourer and performance machine. It's not a track car, and it's not trying to be. It's for those who want to enjoy high-speed cruising in the most comfortable, stylish, and exclusive way possible. The Maybach SL is a statement car. It's about how you arrive, not just where you're going. And that wraps up our full review of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL. It's an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and presence. A modern-day chariot that delivers on every front. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed car reviews, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think of this automotive masterpiece. Until next time, stay driven and stay inspired.